Interior tone level is moderate to heavy with this Street Demon split dual exhaust. Make sure to follow us on all social media. At Rich's, you can pick your muffler and your tips before you buy. With all major brands in stock, Rich's has you covered. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we also carry AFE, K&N, and Air Raid. We need to have your vehicle in-house to ensure proper fitment. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.